Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel gadgets at home. First, let's explore the fundamental concepts behind your desired creation. You'll need to gather readily available household items and simple tools. Always remember to prioritize safety throughout your building process by wearing appropriate protective gear. We'll focus on creating visually impressive replicas using accessible materials and straightforward techniques. Let's start with a classic, the arc reactor. For the iconic glow, you can use a small, bright LED light. The outer casing can be crafted from clear plastic, like a CD case, or even sturdy cardboard. Remember to securely attach a compact battery pack, such as 2 AA batteries, to power your light source. This creates a fantastic visual effect for your chest piece. Next, let's tackle a non-functional web shooter. Begin by designing a comfortable wrist-mounted base using sturdy cardboard or EVA foam. You can incorporate a small, non-functional spring-loaded mechanism for a cool visual effect, perhaps using a pen spring. Finish it off by painting it with metallic silver and red colors to achieve that iconic, authentic look. It's all about the visual impact. To take your creations to the next level, consider adding enhancements. Small sound effect modules can provide an immersive experience, like a repulsor blast. You might integrate tiny motors for subtle moving parts or spinning elements, adding dynamic flair. Finally, personalize your gadgets with unique paint schemes, weathering effects, and custom decals to truly make them your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.